If you've been following the AR space, then you know how quickly the technology is evolving, but a lot of the gear still feels like clunky, heavy tech equipment instead of something you'd actually want to wear day to day. Today, I'll be taking a look at a device built for pure portable, rebellious play. This is the XBX A01 Plus, the debut signature AR glasses from XBX, a sub-brand of XREAL, designed to make AR more expressive and personal. Now, this isn't some stripped-down budget headset. The A01 Plus delivers the most premium experience in its price category and stands as the best value premium AR glasses in its segment. Huge thanks to XBX for partnering with me on this video. Let's go ahead and get started. I've tested dozens of AR glasses over the years, and by far the biggest issue is always the bulkiness, especially when you're trying to wear them during a multi-hour travel day. But the lightweight design on the XBX A01 Plus makes these one of the most comfortable pairs of AR glasses that I've ever tried. At only 62 grams, these are 18% lighter than the Ray Neo Air 4 and 24% lighter than the XREAL 1S. If you've used AR glasses before, you'll immediately notice the difference. What I really like is that you can make them even lighter, down to just 56 grams, simply by popping off the detachable front frame. XBX achieved this with some serious weight shaving optimizations, utilizing a custom ultralight nylon and slimming down the optical module section to an ultra-thin 19.5 millimeters. They even engineered 0.5 millimeter ultra-thin lenses and a streamlined hinge structure. Combined with elastomer wrapped temple arms that are 10% thinner than standard frames, you get an absolute masterclass in ergonomics that feels completely effortless to wear for hours on end. My absolute favorite thing about these glasses has to be the customization options. Instead of feeling like a cold, rigid tech gadget, the XBX A01 Plus actually acts as a medium for self-expression. You can easily match these to any outfit, mood, or personal style thanks to the interchangeable front frames. You can detach the front frames and even 3D print custom ones on MakerWorld. XREAL will release more official XBX frames for online sales soon, but the customization doesn't stop at aesthetics. You can also customize the physical fit for maximum comfort. It features a 3-stage pressure relief nose pad system offering high bridge, standard, and low bridge fits so your screen stays perfectly centered regardless of your face shape. Pair that with adaptive flex hinges that automatically open up to 20 degrees and ultra-thin flexible temples that completely eliminate pressure points, and you have a personalized headset that feels custom-made just for you. Next up is the screen display, and with a class-leading 1600 nits of peak brightness, this is easily one of the brightest sets of AR glasses that I've ever tried. I'm able to clearly see my content whether I'm working inside the office or sitting right by the pool on a bright sunny day. The daylight-proof visibility here is just incredible for all scenario viewing, especially when you snap on that front frame. Without the front frame, most bright images are still perfectly viewable in any lighting condition, but darker movie scenes like those from The Dark Knight can struggle a bit if you aren't using that front frame. A huge reason the picture looks this good is the custom display chip co-engineered with Pixelworks. It dramatically boosts color accuracy and contrast, unlocking 2 times wider dynamic range and 64 times richer color. It also features full native HDR10 support, meaning you uncover true depth in dark scenes for breathtaking realism. But what really makes this a game changer for daily use is the real-time AI SDR-to-HDR upscaling. Whether you're just scrolling through short mobile videos, content, or playing AAA games, the custom chip dynamically upscales all your standard content to HDR with vibrant colors and razor-sharp contrast. Whether I'm catching up on some emails or watching the latest summer blockbuster, the display looks incredible. Now, the main place I use these types of glasses is definitely during travel. And if you want to avoid motion sickness and headaches on a bumpy ride, the display absolutely has to be stable. XBX has that completely covered here with an industry-first spatial stabilization algorithm. This is the only AR headset under $300 equipped with anti-shake technology, and it even functions at a high 120Hz refresh rate. Backed by 1000Hz head tracking and AI-powered motion prediction, it tracks micro movements to instantly eliminate jitter. As your head moves or your vehicle hits turbulence, the display follows with gimbal-like smoothness, remaining perfectly centered in your view. Best of all, while standard stabilization usually degrades your resolution, XPX preserves lossless optical clarity, keeping your text and fine details razor sharp. To round out the experience, the A01 Plus goes beyond just the display and design to include some incredible enhancements that really elevate daily entertainment. First, you're getting a massive 147-inch giant virtual screen with a 120Hz gaming-grade high refresh rate. It uses a next-gen pure optical engine that boosts edge clarity, making it perfect for portable gaming or watching movies on the go. Then there's the high-fidelity audio system featuring built-in speakers with 4 custom modes. You can toggle between 3D spatial audio, cinema, balanced, or a dedicated privacy mode that keeps your audio completely discreet from people sitting nearby. And finally, they haven't compromised on safety, giving you a 4-layer eye protection system with triple TUV Rheinland certification to eliminate eye strain during those extended movie marathons. Ultimately, if you're looking to kill daily dead time and upgrade your mobile entertainment, the XPX A01 Plus is an absolute winner. It carries XREAL's professional engineering DNA in a playful form factor, packing a record-setting 62-gram lightweight build, a massive 1600 nit HDR display, and gimbal-grade spatial stabilization all into one sleek package. These glasses are built for anyone who wants premium big screen experience on the go, whether you're a handheld gamer, frequent traveler, or just want to relax with the movie at home. These are available now for just $299. I'll have a link in the description down below so you can grab a pair for yourself. That about wraps it up for this video. Thanks guys for watching, be blessed, and I'll see you in the next one.